For heating and preparing domestic hot water, we used 1300 kilowatt hours, which is about 130 euros of electricity. Hi, I'm Boštjan. We are in our house in VERSI near Žalec. We decided to install the Kronoterm VERSI O heat pump. My wife and I quickly decided that we wanted to build our own house. The house has 140 square meters of living area and is built to passive standard. Because of that, installing a heat pump made sense. Regarding the heating system, I knew from the beginning that I would have a heat pump. As a designer, I know that for low energy or passive houses, other heating systems are not suitable. I knew that I wanted a weaker heat pump, meaning one with lower power. This building has 3.5 kilowatts of calculated heat losses, so I needed the smallest heat pump available on the market. It turned out that this was the VERSI O. I checked several providers. I chose Kronoterm because it is a local company. It is well known in our region. I heard many good things about them, so the decision was easy. Kronoterm convinced me. Besides being local, they offer fast service, quality service, good delivery times, expertise, and full support. It is good that everything is under one roof. Development, production, and everything else are in one place. This makes it easier to optimize things and to get quick answers to any issues, unlike elsewhere where there are only sales offices. I also chose the VERSI O heat pump because of its visual appearance and customization options. On our house, we changed the casing to anthracite as it fit the style of the house better. Together with the heat pump, we installed solar panels. The main reason for installing the solar power plant was to cover all electricity and heating costs, and in the future also to charge an electric car. The VERSI O heat pump has an advantage in the heating power it provides. For our house, it was much more suitable than larger heat pumps. We have a technical room of 2 square meters. Inside there is a hydro module and 2 heating circuits. Together they take up about 60 by 60 centimeters of space. Kronoterm advised us to install 2 room controllers, one for each floor for better heating regulation. Their smart control works better and adapts to the characteristics of the building. From the start, we haven't touched the heat pump settings, because the smart control takes care of everything. It constantly adjusts the pump to reach the desired indoor temperature. In about 6 months, we used 1300 kilowatt hours for heating and hot water preparation, which is about 130 euros of electricity. This shows how quickly the investment can pay off. It is also shown on the Kronoterm website. The Kronoterm Cloud app is very useful. Through it, you can monitor and control your heat pump, room temperatures, and hot water temperature. It is very practical after a longer absence when the temperature in the house is lower to save energy. Before returning from vacation or skiing, you set the desired temperature, and when you arrive, it is already reached.